Today I'm making a new tiller for Floresca. The old one is up here, look, and it was a bit rotten at the end, and as you can see, when I sanded off all the rot, it's lost a lot of thickness, so it's going to be rattling around in the rudder stock. So I was thinking I might just fill it out with some epoxy and all of that, because it's a nice old bit of wood, but then it's got quite a few holes that are filled, and it's going to be hard to make it look nice. There's some big old gouges out this side that don't look all that good, and so I thought maybe I'd make a new one. And then yesterday I went for a walk and I found a lovely bit of ash, which I know rots a bit on boats, but if you keep it all varnished and nice, it should look okay. So I've hewn this one using my trusty Hultafors classic axe. I've taken most of the wood off, and now I'm resorted to the evil electric planer to get down to some more wood, and I think I'm down to the point where I can now start taking some measurements and finishing it off with a nice little spoke shave. And it needs to be 35 mil of thickness, so I shall set my verniers. 35, I'll give it 36 because I think it might dry a bit because it's green wood, and set it to that, and then a bit more planing and shaping. Then I shall leave it to dry for a little bit, and hopefully I shall have a nice new tiller. There we go, she's taking shape. You see the stock at the end there will be a bit gnarly, but there we go. And there's the tiller. I've done a bit of hand planing, and now I'm going to sand her off and then cut it to shape and let her dry out. Oh, I think that'll be rather lovely. There we go, it's all sanded into the shape I want it. There's my tiller. Let's see where the stock's going to be cut out. I'm quite pleased with that. So now I've just got to wait for it to dry out. I hope it won't shrink too much. But yeah, good day's work.